Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue with solid shapes and we're going to deal with the cube. As you remember, a solid shape would be, what would be a solid shape again? Anybody? Correct. A solid shape would be a 3D shape. And any 3D shape, what are some of the things we talk about on a 3D shape? Come on. Yes. A 3D shape has length, yes, width, height, and it occupies space. Correct. Alright, before we go forward, we'll have a look at the video. And then I'm going to find out what you understand from the video. Alright? So let's go to the video.
Can have the shape of a cube. A box can have the shape of a cube. Blocks can have the shape of a cube. An ice cube can have the shape of a cube. This is a 3D shape and it's called a cube. A 3D shape that's really cool. 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges, and this, its height, width, and depth are equal, and they're seen all around the world by lots of people. A 3D shape that's called a cube. A cube has 6 faces. A cube has 12 edges. A cube has 8 vertices. This is a 3D shape and it's called a cube.
Alright, boys and girls, what did we learn from the video? What are some of the things that we could say that are cubes? Can you give me some examples? Yes, Johnny, ice cube. Correct. Mary, Rubik's. There's ice. There's dice. There's even a gift box. Correct. Yes. So we have certain things that are cubes. Now, for example, as we have the gift box. Now, some of the properties that you would find, we spoke about 3 properties on a 3D shape. Now, the 3 properties that we will be looking at are 1, the faces, the edges, and the vertices. Now, for the faces, for each Rubik's or each cube or any 3D shape, the face, if we look at the face for the box, it's a flat shape. Got it? So we could say this side here is a face. We have another face here. Let's count the faces on this cube. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we could safely say a cube has 6 faces. The edges are where 2 faces meet. So let's count the edges for here. You could take your fingers and where you have your cube, you could take your fingers and just pass it over. So let's count the edges. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges do we have? Correct. We have 12 edges. The next thing we're going to look at is a vertex. The vertex is where you have 2 or more edges meet. So where you have 2 or more edges meet, you would say the tip here. Some of you guys could call it the tip. So you have the vertex here. Or you could say the points. So let's count the points or the vertex. Or you should say singular vertex, plural vertices. So we have vertices here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 vertices here on a cube. Alright, let's go again. Which is the faces? The faces are the flat surfaces. The edges, we have the edges here. And the vertices, just point to the vertices. Good. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you each a net. This is the net of a cube. And you'll see once you fold it in, you'll be able to get a cube. Alright? So, see that? On your net, you'll be able to identify the faces, the edges, and the vertices. Okay? So let me give you each a net. There you go. There you go. Some of the things you would have identified in your home that are cubes would be 1, the actual cube. 2, you have dice. You have your gift box. We have ice cubes and so forth, right? Even the Rubik's Cube. Good? So what I'm going to ask you to do is you keep your solid shapes. Collect them back. You keep your solid shapes. And I'm going to give you worksheets. For group A, your worksheet, you will take the worksheet and you'll put an X on each one of the items that is described as a cube. Alright? Here you go. Group 2, you'll use your cube that you have and you're going to take this worksheet, the second worksheet, and you're going to identify the numbers of faces, edges, and vertices. And you're going to write the amount that you get in each space. Alright? So group 2, you take that. Oh, shucks, sorry. Here you go. That's group 2. Group 3, I'm going to give you the box. And you're going to see, you will identify which is the edges, which is the faces, and which is the vertices. And you're going to fill that space in the middle here with what you think would be the amount of faces, the amount of edges, and the amount of vertices. Alright? Please don't forget to put your names on each paper. Good? Thank you. Alright, you guys did an excellent job. I realized that you were able to identify each one of the properties on the cube, and you were able also to identify what a cube looks like and basically the different 3D shapes. What you're going to do next for me is that you're going to go into your process of learning mathematics, page 76, and you're going to work exercise 1.5 for homework. All right? You guys did an excellent job. Thank you very much.